What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, getting right into the shoe, man, I got a Nike Dunk for y'all, man. Y'all seen the thumbnail, y'all seen the caption. Let's get right into it. All right, here we have a regular red and white, man, Nike Dunk box. Tag reads Nike Dunk Low Retro, gray fog, black, and wolf gray. This is a size 10, man. I found these for a steal in the local Facebook group, bro, so I decided to grab them. And let's see what I'll do with them, man. We'll see. Let's get into it, though, man. Let's get into it. This shoe is probably one of my favorite men's like regular dunks released lately that doesn't have like any crazy hype behind it. But it's a good looking shoe, man. Basic colors, and it's solid to me, man. Here we have the Nike Dunk Low Chenille Swoosh, man, with the black and gray colorway. This joint is clean, man. Same like panda style color blocking, but it has that Chenille swoosh right there, man. It kind of puffs out. Has that, if you don't know what Chenille is, it's like the letters that come on the chest patch of like the Letterman jacket, man. Like that fuzzy print, bro. So super dope pair, man. Nothing too crazy, but a very wearable shoe. It has that gray on the toe box, man. Slightly tumble, but nothing too soft or anything. It does have a lot more shine, the black does, than like a regular Panda Dunk or anything like that. It kind of has that shine like on that championship Panda looking pair that has like the gold belt on the front lace. But solid shoe, black and gray on the panels, white on the back on that heel tab. Solid shoe, man. Gray and black on the Nike tag, gray insole with the black Nike check. This is a solid shoe, man. I definitely would grab these and get plenty of wear out of them. This is very similar to a Panda Dunk, man, with less white though, so it's gonna last a lot longer, but solid shoe nonetheless, man. I've been seeing a lot of people move a lot of these pairs. I've been seeing a lot of people wear a lot of these, bro. So this is a good one. This is a good one, man. Y'all comment down below, let me know how you guys are feeling about this. It's just a regular dunk, man. Nothing hype, nothing too crazy. But it's a solid pair, man. Y'all know I like black shoes. This black and gray here is really nice to me, man. It has that white midsole, black on the outsole, man. Regular pair of dunks, man. This is my favorite style of dunk color blocking, with the one color on the toe box and side panels, and then one on the toe caps and the toe layers and things like that, man. I love that two-tone color blocking, man. Nothing too crazy. Not all the rainbow colors that they've been dropping lately, but super solid shoe, man. Black, gray, can't really go wrong with it. Now, like I said, man, I did find this shoe for a deal in a Facebook group, man. They had these joints, I think retail was like $120, $130 with tax. And I grabbed these joints for $110, man. Dude was just trying to get rid of them. He bought them for his son. They're the wrong size, so I was just like, man, I'll take them off your hands. We're just trying to get rid of them. Bought them for the holidays. So why not, man? It's a solid shoe. It'll definitely move on my table. I got SneakerCon coming up and things like that, bro. So it's definitely gonna move really well for me, but it's a really good shoe to me. If it was my size, I definitely would have rocked this joint. Like I said, I definitely would have threw these on, bro. These are easily like beater status. I mean, you can wear these joints anytime, any day, man. Take fleece suits with a fit, jeans, t-shirt, man. It's a pair of dunks, man. Dunks are like one of the most versatile, one of the most popular shoes out, man. And with this black and gray colorway, man, it's an easy no-brainer for me. Now, Nike and Jordan Brand have been using this Chenille Swoosh and Chenille hits a lot, man. They released a white and red pair of Jordan 1s with the Chenille Swoosh, and a couple of other dunks with the Chenille Swoosh and Chenille accents, bro. So it's definitely a solid touch, man. I hope they don't get too carried away with it and keep it going. I did see them release like those fleece, like white and green dunks. So they've been trying to get exotic, if you want to say, with the materials and things that they've been using on the dunks, man. And it's cool in some cases. Like this one, it works really well, but I don't want to see them go too overboard and keep doing all these crazy patterns and crazy materials. But this one works for sure. But y'all leave me a comment down below, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about this one. Is this a cop or a drop for you, man? Let me know if you will wear this joint or if this is a straight pass, man. This is black and gray, so I know a lot of people would definitely wear it and pull it off. But let me know your personal thoughts and your personal opinion, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints. Now, as far as quality on these joints, man, it's definitely not too bad. Not any crazy glue stains or things like that. But I'm not really a huge fan of the shiny black. It looks kind of like plastic-ish to me. Not the best leather that they use, but the gray leather on here is pretty solid. It's pretty solid. Nothing just amazing, spectacular, but it's pretty solid, man. Stitching is done well, man. No crazy flaws on here, so solid shoe, man. I like these joints a lot, man. But that just about wraps it up for this video. I just want to give you guys a quick unboxing, show you these dunks, man. Try to get you guys' opinion on these. And maybe if you wanted to cop them, they're not too bad on the resale market. Retail was like $120, $130. And resale is going for like $150, $160 and less, man. So definitely very affordable, bro. A good back to school shoe. I know the semester's about to start this week and next week. So if you need a good school shoe, this is one, man. You can wear it every day for the kids, and just a nice fresh pair to have in the collection. A nice everyday shoe. But that just about wraps it up for this video, man. We got the Nike Dunk Low, black and gray with the Chenille Swoosh. Drop a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling, man. Until next time on the next video, peace.